All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Chevy Camaro. It is the LT model. This beautiful red with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, fog lights, super nice. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Let me get out my measuring tool. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Let's check out your tire thread. Fucking get this bad boy in there. That's the groove. That's the groove. Under 730 seconds, above 4. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks pretty damn nice. So let's check out your tire thread back here, which is, if I can get it up in there, which is under 730 seconds, above 4. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Here's a push start system. Boom. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Obviously your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff, that's working. Got your backup camera. PAL, AC controls right down below. Alright, steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 39,743. Turn on the lights. Keeping it moving. Place the tool, open up the trunk. Very nice. Coming around, your rear bumper looks pretty good. Doesn't seem to have a heavy scratch here, about 3 inches. A little cracking here, about 2 inches. This deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space. What that looks like. There's a has like a run flat system. All right, and that's the deal there. On this quarter, does seem to have taken a hit here. Boom on the side. So we're gonna call that a dent. No paint off. I don't see any paint off here, but dent is 3, 6, 10 or more inches. Engulfing that little corner here. It actually makes the bumper not fit right because the dent is right there. That's about it though on this vehicle. The rest looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing, and your tire thread here is, get my tool up in there. Under 730 seconds, above 4. Let's double check that. Just above 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. That is a powered seat as well. Here's your rear passenger seat. Likewise, no holes, no tears, no rips. This fender looks good. Does have a scuffing here, about 3 inches, about 2 inches, sorry. And your front driver's rim, very nice. Front passenger rim, very nice. LC curbing. Your tire thread. Oh, under 730 seconds, above 4. All lights are working. Vehicle looks great. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Chevy Camaro Lt model with 39,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.